This is BA Red, Customer Service Support, Social Media Manager, Virtual Assistant, and a full-time mom. Welcome to A Day with me, Red. Parang masarap for today ay yung high naman in fiber. So, okay, eto na yon. 2 bunches of water spinach or kangkong, 1 package of firm tofu. Bakit firm tofu? Because it has the least amount of liquid. It's good for stir fries, especially if it will be cubed like in this kangkong tofu stir fry. So, ayan. Sautein na natin yung onions and garlic. Nga pala, most recipes like frying, stir frying, o kaya ay deep frying require the tofu to be drained well and patted dry before cooking. Bakit? Kasi the splash of oil hurts. O gusto mo ba yun? Siyempre ayoko. Another thing is moist tofu doesn't absorb marinades or spices and splatters in the pan. So to dry, place a triple layer of paper towel on a wooden board or in a deep plate. Another pairing that is nice eating together ay ang spinach and tofu. Yun lang, mga spinach contains oxalic acid which binds with calcium in tofu and makes it indigestible for our stomach. Okay, so ilagay na natin yung kangkong. Bali, 2 tali ito para lunch and dinner na rin, diba? So, 15 pesos per bunch ng kangkong kila Jenny, doon sa bayan. So, 30 pesos na to. Not bad naman. Kasi sa Cayman, alam nyo, bihira lang ang kangkong. Tapos ang mahal-mahal pa. Pero naalala ko, dyan sa likod bahay namin, maraming kangkong. Sana pala nanguha na lang ako, no? Yun lang, hindi ko lang alam kung edible yun. Pero, bago ang lahat, nag-fried na ako ng tofu kanina. So, as I said, mas okay kung dry yung tofu nyo kapag ni-fry para hindi ka nga masaktan, di ba? So, these are the cubes that I will add to the water spinach. The big ones are for toppings. By the way, I already mixed water, oyster sauce, brown sugar, pepper, a bit of cornstarch, pork sabor syempre. So, ayan, lanta na yung kangkong nyo. Kangkong nyo talaga, no? Let's add the mixture. Siyempre, haluin. Haluin natin lang yan. And finally, ilagay na natin ang fried tofu. Para sa mga taong matataas ang pride. Hindi, char lang, char lang. Harap! Ang sarap niya. I-try nyo. Ang sarap. Ayan, so ready na siya. Sprinkle na natin yung fried garlic mince. Huwag niyo kakalimutan yun na kasi masarap yun. O ano, kain na. Enjoy. And syempre, thank you for watching.